In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search bar in Excel. We're going to build a simple, user-friendly search box that lets you quickly filter your data just by typing a word or phrase. This is really handy if you work with long lists like product inventories, contact lists, or task trackers, and you want a fast way to find what you need without scrolling forever. Start by opening the Excel file that contains the data you want to search. Make sure your table has clear column headers in the first row, because we'll be using those headers to set up our search. If your data isn't already in a formal table, it's a good idea to convert it. Just click anywhere inside your data, go to the Insert tab, and choose Table. Confirm the range, and make sure the option that says your table has headers is checked. This makes filtering and formulas much easier to manage. Next, decide where you want your search bar to live. A common approach is to place it just above your table. Click in an empty cell, for example in the row above your headers, and type a label like Search. In the cell next to it, that's where users will actually type their search term. Think of that cell as the input box for your search bar. Now we'll connect that input cell to the table, using filters. Click anywhere inside your table, go to the Data tab, and make sure the filter option is turned on. You should see small drop-down arrows appear on each header. Choose the column you want to search. Click its filter arrow and select Text Filters, then Contains. In the box that appears, instead of typing a fixed word, we're going to link it to the search cell. Click in the Criteria box, then click on the search input cell you created earlier. This way, whatever you type into that cell becomes your search term. Once that's set, click OK. Try typing different words or partial phrases into your search cell. You'll see the table instantly filter to show only the rows that match. If nothing is typed, you can clear the filter from the header to see all your data again. For a smoother experience, you can format the search cell with a border or a light fill color so it stands out. You can also freeze the top row so the search bar and headers stay visible as you scroll. And that's it. You've created a functional search bar in Excel that makes navigating your data faster, easier, and much more intuitive.